All right, ready for that warm up?
Bring them
Let's
out,
go ahead
bring
and
them
jump in
out.
place.
It's hard to yell when the barrel's in
Let's
your
go.
mouth. Come on. Bring them out, bring them out. Hey. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Hey.
Ready for those punches? 4, 3, 2, and switch.
Heard the nightlife, lost life, what I need. Most of the feds in the state wanna see by me. The whole city got pissed, heard he got 3. That other rapper got a hit, but shouted he not out. Who set the city on fire soon as he got free? The king back now. Raws don't even know how to act now. Hit the club, strippers getting naked, all sat down. Still ballin', money stacked tall in the shack now. Still push a button to let the roof on the lack down. I'm on the road doing shows through my Mac down. Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to Chat Town. I got the crowd yelling.
Come on.
Hey, all my hot girls yelling.
Bring them out,
Hey, all the dope boys yelling.
Bring them out.
Hey, front to back they yelling. Hey, I'm a good as a kid when I'm southern rapper hood and this. I got rich and I'm still in a hooligan clique. You be rapping by flow, I don't move in the brick. Talk about shooting out, now we're doing it quick. If I hit you in the face, you gon' be suing me quick. If I catch another case, I know it's true to be missed. So I'ma keep a cool head, stay out of the news headlines. Show you other rappers bedtime. It's clear to see that I'm ahead of my time. I got me thrown down hard, time for real shine. I got some time that like a veteran time. Who got a flow and a live show better than mine? I got a packed house yelling.
bring them out,
Hey, all my hot girls yelling.
bring them out,
Hey, all the dope boys yelling.
bring them out,
Hey, front to back they yelling. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. You wanna beef with the king? What is you gon' do? When you show up on the scene, 1 or 2 guns drew on you and your friend and play a little 2 on 2. If you rapping what I do, you'll be hitting the deck. I got a tool and a vest, I can get some respect. I'ma make it hard for another sucker to flex. Show 'em this ain't a squad or a sucker to flex. Never too large and we way too fresh. Work well when
Give me a little bounce. Come on.
put the check
Warm
of
those
lane like
legs.
a game of chess. You wanna be better, bring your best. Cause
Right
we
in
standing in
place.
your front yard yelling.
Bring them out. Bring them
Hey,
out.
all my hot girls yelling.
bring them out,
Hey, all the dope boys yelling.
All right.
Hey,
I want you to give me some high knees.
bring them out,
Let's
Hey,
go.
front yard yelling.
Come on.
Hey, all my hot girls yelling.
bring them out,
Hey, all the dope boys yelling.
bring them out,
You got it.
Hey, front to back they yelling.
bring them out,
Punch it out. You ready? Ready to jump in place? Let's go.
bring them out, bring them out,
Come on. Y'all know what's next? We got those high knees.
bring them
You
out,
ready?
bring them out,
Let's go. Get them out. Come on.
bring them out,
Push.
bring them out,
Warm up that whole body. Pump those arms.
bring them out, bring them out,
Punch it out. And switch. There we go. Knees. Punch it out.
bring them out, 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 bring them out.
Good job.